Welcome guys, take a look at the board on the trailer as I pass by. We've got some repairs to do today. I hope you enjoy the video. I walked out this morning to get the larger trailer. I wanted to put some material on this thing and take it up and get some of the ends squared up on the logs. And I walked out, and I guess the sunshine has set on this board and actually broke the screws loose and pulled that thing right up out of there. And I guess I could probably just flip this thing over and refasten it, but it warped so badly there that we're just going to go ahead and cut us another board out. We definitely have the material to do so and replace this thing. That's the bad thing about pressure treated material, and you never know which board is going to do it. But sometimes when these things set in the sunshine, they can take a severe warp and ruin pretty much any project that you have going on with this stuff. That's all right though. We're going to put us an oak board in there and we won't have to worry about it again. So let's get started. The board's halfway removed itself. Kind of makes it easy. It broke that screw right off of there, guys. See if those will come up out of that wood before we get this one scattered around. Tell you what, it even warped worse when we brought the screws out of this thing. Look at that. It's set up there. There's definitely no reusing this one, is there? Although I guess it probably would pull down there flat. I think we'll still just replace it. It is nice being able to walk down here and have this stuff already pretty close to what we need. When we get this guy laid in there, we'll definitely have a stronger board in there. Let's see how far ends it out. Ain't too bad. We'll have to take a little off the thickness and a little off the width as well. width is going to be 5.5 inches, which is standard for milled 2x6s. Gonna make us a nice 2x4. We'll find something to use this for. And it is going to fit. It definitely looks different than the board that's already on here though. This is where we started at this morning. The bow in that thing has actually gotten worse since we've been working on cutting this other board out. That's something else. I'm going to pre-drill through my oak board, and I want the screw to tighten to the metal and pull the board down. Because I am using a self-tapping screw, so it would have went through the wood with no problem. But I want all the holding strength into the metal. we're getting this one done just in time for the rain to get here, guys. It won't hurt our treatment at all. And that is now definitely the nicest looking board on the trailer. If you guys have had a bad experience with pressure treated material ruining a project that you had, leave it in the comments. We'd like to hear from you. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick repair. It was nice to have the tools that we need along with the material that we have made right here on our property to do this repair. So I'm going to finish spraying this thing down, get you guys put away before the rain really gets started. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you on the next one. That'll help the rest of the boards last a long time.